What's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you the first of the 2 fishing knots that you will need if you ever plan on becoming any type of an avid fisherman. These 2 knots here cover about 90% of any fishing knots you'll ever need, so they're very important to master. And the one I'm going to be showing you today is the Snell knot. So I have 60-pound leader material here, something a little bit stronger. I'm going to take, maybe about this much. Maybe that's 3.5 feet. May as well leave yourself a little bit extra in case you mess up. And I have circle hooks here, better for the fish. This is, honestly I'd be lying if I told you the size, probably a 4.0. Okay, so this is an extremely easy knot. First thing you're going to do is just take the hook like this, and you want to feed it through this way, so you can see the direction of the eye. You want to feed it that way along the length of the hook. Give yourself a little extra space so it's easy to pinch down. Have it like that. I'm going to hold the hook like that, and you're just going to want to wrap it around a few times. Really lock it on there. Okay, here's 3, 4, we're going to go 5. This stuff is pretty tough, so I'm not sure if you could see that, but I have it wrapped around there about 5 times. And then it's pretty simple. You're just going to take the loose end and you want to feed it back through the top of the hook like this. You have that loose end there. And you're just going to bring it back through the eye of the hook. Use my pliers, make it a little easier to pull. I'm going to pull that nice and tight. Alright. Put it down on a desk or a piece of wood. Hook down just to really pull it nice and tight. Okay. You want to get rid of this little extra piece here that might get caught in the weeds or mess you up some other way, so just take a pair of wire cutters, get rid of that little dangling piece. There you have it. Snell knot. Nice leader material. Make your loop on the end, and you're ready to go for some stripers with this bad boy.